That is still, the jury is out on that. That issue is still not settled.
Not I tell you, Lord.
That you must demonstrate before me,
Lord,
Mr.
I tell you, Lord.
Sanyal.
I tell you, Lord.
This will not do.
Lord, I tell you, Lord. This is the law. Lord,
It's vague. DLED is not equivalent. I will not accept B.Ed for primary.
This is not the case before your lawsuits.
I am simplicity on this.
I get your lawsuits.
Diploma in special education, which is 1 year or whatever course.
Diploma in special education, 2 years.
2 years.
B.Ed special education, 1 year.
B.Ed, regular B.Ed special education
But
is now 2
find
years.
It is up to 2014. Now it is 2 years. Special B.Ed is also 2 years. B.Ed is also 2 years.
And what about diploma?
2 years. 2 years.
Oh, both are 2 years.
Both are 2 years now. After 2014, as I'm.
Lord, I find from the we are on the notification. Lord, I tell you, lordships, this is not the case made out in the petition. No sufficient material with the petition, except BHU says, government says, UP says, Telangana says. None of these authorities have any authority and power to touch it or question it. As soon as we are appearing for the court, we are to be blind. We cannot go beyond this. But with all respect saying, the court also stands on the same footing. Unless, I tell you, unless this
are you saying 4 state governments are stupid and incompetent?
Absolutely. On what basis they do it? On what basis? When the central government notifies, selects, authorizes a body for a particular purpose, none of the university or authority has
Why did you engage them? Why did you recruit them?
I tell you, losses, I will come to that. I'm on the proposition of law. Then I will take your losses to that. That's factual aspect. I don't want to prejudice your losses to that also. But let me to a point of law. All these authorities are bogus. They can't enter into this field. Because this is the authority. I tell you, losses.
BHU. Board of Education.
I tell you, losses. BHU is an examining body. They will just teach whatever I have said, whatever syllabus I have given, and hold the examination. You have no authority to say this is the qualification for this purpose.
It's a university.
It's a university.
The UP board is the authority.
UP board is
bound by NCT.
Exactly. Board is also not the authority. As soon as I am. That's why, in Devesh Sharma judgment, your lordships will find, if necessary, I will take your lordships, a paragraph. Rajasthan High Court, the matter was first moved. We moved first, but we didn't get it hard. We were languishing before from one court to another court. They are fortunate, they get it hard. Now the first point was, ultimately it was argued, what the Rajasthan High Primary School Board did, in spite of NCT notification, this is in little digressing, 2018 notifications making the B.Ed qualified eligible, the Rajasthan Board, what they did not allow B.Ed qualified candidates. In spite of NCT.
Right.
They did not allow. Therefore, my lord, B.Ed qualified candidates also went before the Rajasthan High Court. Both the writ petition heard and then Supreme Court deprecated in Devesh Sharma's judgment the stand of the Rajasthan Board by saying, look, ultimately we are quashing the NCT Act, but you cannot disobey NCT. It may be illegal, but you are bound by that. So my
challenge in court. You show in court.
That's my lord. That's even then Rajasthan High Court did not follow board. Ultimately they succeeded. That's different aspect. But Supreme Court said so long it is not quashed by any competent court of law. And if appeal is taken, it was not affirmed by the appeal court. You are to follow it.
Very well. Mr. Sanyal, show me the distinction between a diploma in education, special education, and a diploma and a B.Ed in special education.
But I tell you, lordships.
Can you show? Curriculum? Do you have the?
No, nothing. No pleading.
Do you want to file an? No. You.
I tell you, lords. Then I have to come up with the entire materials, and then your lordships kindly make NCT and RCI party. I tell you, lordships.
I will.
Then before that, my basic question: these clauses makes it different. Your lordships need not go into this. Whenever NCT says DLED special education up to 5. Malad, everybody should stop there. B.Ed qualification with special education from 6 to 8, everybody should stop there. My learned friend has banked upon rather, Malad 3B, I take your losses to that because I have to meet all the questions. Subject to the pleadings available now.
Please.
But kindly come to my lord, clause 3. Training to be undergone. This is the clause. A person, both A and B I am placing. A with BA, BSc with at least 50% mark and B.Ed qualification shall also be eligible for appointment for classes 1 to 5 up to 1st January 2012, provided he undergoes after appointment a NCT recognized 6-month special program in elementary education. Malad, naturally a question arises, why did they allow B.Ed?
It already come in. There
No,
was
already come in, Malad. No, I tell you losses, that is,
notification.
I tell you losses, no. The situation was that sufficient number of training institution was not being had by all the state authorities. First,
Even today in West Bengal, we don't have sufficient.
more than sufficient. Now, more than sufficient.
Now,
Last 3-4 years, 5 years, more than sufficient. Students are all D.Ed. Second reason was that D.Ed, DLED qualified candidates were not available.
come back after lunch, please. Now we'll consider balance of convenience for interim order on this on second one.
Now this all it come back.